the people of Delhi have given in the state, in the capital.
Tanvi Purti, the social welfare schemes that are going to continue if the BJP comes to power, that is the promise that has been made by the party and by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. But on top of that, the guarantees that BJP has assured, whether you take a look at the national level or you take a look at the states where the BJP is ruling, talking about infrastructure development, talking about pollution control, talking about cleaning of Yamuna, talking about the sewage problem, the water logging problem, all these problems is what the BJP has promised to tackle. The Aam Aadmi Party unfortunately has not been able to figure out a solution, long-lasting solution to it in the last 10 years that it has governed Delhi. Do you think that has persuaded people to vote for BJP?
I don't think that it is a pro-BJP vote. I personally feel it's a referendum against the Kejriwal's government, against his arrogance. The way, the drama that he always portrayed in front of the Delhi voters every time there was a problem in Delhi. I genuinely feel it's a referendum against his model of governance. And I just want to counter Priyaji over here. Priyaji said that Congress has a lot to answer. I'm sorry, ma'am, but why is always Congress has to answer on this question about the alliance of why Congress has to go solo in Delhi? In Haryana, it was almost final. There were talks of seat sharing with the Aam Aadmi Party. The moment Arvind Kejriwal ji came out of Tihar jail, and he suddenly announced that we'll be contesting on all the seats in Haryana, without even talking to the Congress leadership. So that is why in Delhi also.
It was quite the opposite. It was quite the opposite. It was in fact Aam Aadmi Party that had been appealing to the Congress till the end.
Correct.
That let's stand in alliance, let's fight it together against the BJP. But Congress was hell-bent that it will go it alone, so confident that it will win the election. In fact, the trends were also giving a clean sweep to the Congress, and unfortunately for the Congress, it could not win. So what is the future? Do you think India Alliance or a united front comes into being only when there is a general election that takes place, and then they all disappear and dissipate and decide to fight their individual goals and individual fights in their respective states?
Every alliance has a purpose during the elections. In Lok Sabha, of course, India Alliance had its own purpose. In state elections, the elections become very different. BJP was in alliance with the NPP in Meghalaya, but right before the election, they did not contest together. So we've seen the alliances. They are a permutation and combination of the compulsions, to defeat the opposite party. So I think that is perfectly fine. But when it comes to Mr. Kejriwal, he has a very different psychology when it comes to fighting elections. He always wants his way.
But are the permutations and combinations really working? Are permutations and combinations?
I agree completely with Tanvi.
Are permutations and combinations working in favor of the India Alliance members? And don't you think that if you are a divided lot, if the Congress and Aam Aadmi Party and other political parties who are part of the India Alliance are a divided lot, you are gradually strengthening the BJP. Whether it is a win in Haryana or it is a win in a potential win in Delhi.
In Delhi particularly, the BJP was the de facto choice for the voters of Delhi, and I'll tell you why. Because the vote share BJP has been keeping on to 35% vote share is a very, very strong vote share. And they've been holding on to it for a very long period of time. All they wanted was 10% swing for them, and Congress managed to, what I'm seeing from the figures right now, that Congress is managing to double its vote share and taking it from the Aam Aadmi Party. So that is where BJP is benefiting, and probably we are seeing some sort of, benefit going to Congress as well. That's where Aam Aadmi Party is losing. In Haryana, the situation was very different. Congress really screwed up last-minute booth management, and that is why, because of the independence, they lost 8 to 10 seats. That created the gap between BJP and Congress. But my effective point over here is, whenever it comes to politics of compulsion with the alliances, Kejriwal ji had never had to answer why he went to Uttarakhand, why he went to Goa, why he went to Gujarat, or why he went to even Punjab. But every time Congress decides to go solo, everybody has to answer. Everybody has to ask questions that why is Congress going solo? Why, as if Congress is committing a political crime.
Okay.
And fighting election is.
I'll come in later.
Yeah. Okay, Priya, go ahead.
No, I'll tell you why the Congress has to answer, because when Arvind Kejriwal goes to Gujarat, he's also trying to expand his party base in Goa. But in Delhi, after the India Alliance was formed, the idea was wherever the BJP can be defeated, whichever party is best placed to defeat the BJP, the other parties should support them. So, which is why in Haryana also the Congress was ahead. Congress was justified its stance saying we are best positioned to defeat it. We will be wasting a seat by giving it to Aam Aadmi Party. In Delhi, Aam Aadmi Party was the one in the position to be leader. So, there has to be some formula in place to justify alliances. Is the India Alliance there only for the Lok Sabha?
No,
or is
I
the
have
India
something to
Alliance
say here,
for the
please.
regional party level also? This is a situation that you guys have to sit on the floor and decide. You can't meet 1 month before the Lok Sabha and say, chalo, alliance isn't formed to defeat the BJP. These are the things you should be using this time to work out whether you are going to be fighting alone in the states. Tomorrow in Bihar, Tejasvi Yadav is very upset. He is saying Congress is demanding too many seats. When anybody can tell you in Bihar, RJD is in a better position to defeat the BJP than the Congress. What is going to happen there? You think these people are not going to raise that issue against you in Bihar now? Saying
No,
you
what
made us
happened in
lose Delhi.
Uttarakhand?
What are you going to do in
Aam
Bihar?
Aadmi Party had no base at all in Uttarakhand. Why did it come and contest in Uttarakhand in all 70 seats?
Okay.
Losing our ground. So,
That's
you know,
exactly
that's the
exactly
point.
that's the problem, that you do not have
I totally
you do not have
understand that
you do
Kejriwal
not
is
have
saying
coordination
that my
amongst
way or
yourselves.
highway, everybody
You
is going to listen
Congress
to me, or everybody is to,
Congress
will give in to
Congress
my
and the Aam
conditions.
Aadmi Party,
That is
in
not
fact
going to
India
happen in
Alliance
politics.
does not have a cohesion amongst yourselves, which is then benefiting the BJP.